Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your iPhone in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now first, in the simplest way, it's going to be using the buttons. So you're going to look at the volume up on the left hand side and this big side button. Now you need to press these two buttons at the same time simultaneously for about a few seconds. So press and hold a few seconds and a menu like this will pop up where you can simply slide to shut it down. Now another method is if you can't get it to work that way, you can actually go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, go to general and scroll all the way at the bottom where it says shutdown. Click on that option and a menu like this will pop up. You can simply slide to shut it down. Now another method is if you can't get these to work, and the simple probably way to is if you have Siri enabled, you can say, "Hey Siri, shut down my iPhone." Yes, and Siri will ask you to confirm and it can go ahead and shut down your iPhone. So those are a couple different ways to shut down your iPhone, and to shut it back on or turn it back on, you can press and hold this big side button until you see the Apple logo appear so it can power back on. And if that doesn't work, you can also connect it to a charger, and the phone, if the phone was shut down, it will automatically turn it back on as well. So that's how you shut down an iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys in next time.